Hi, welcome to this demo. My name is Anuraj. I am an engineering technologist with Dell. In this demo, we are going to integrate the Red Hat Quay container registry with Dell Objectscale storage. And we are going to deploy the Red Hat Quay container registry on an OpenShift cluster. So for this demo, I already deployed an OpenShift cluster and an Dell Objectscale storage array. Let's go to the Objectscale console. Then we can create a bucket, go to the bucket, new bucket, and provide a name for the bucket. Then we'll keep all other configuration as default. Once the bucket is created, we can go to the accounts, and under the accounts policy, we'll create a new policy by the name Quay-policy. And in the policy, we'll provide all the required permissions for the Quay container registry. So I already created the JSON file, so I'll paste the JSON file here. Now we can create this policy. Once policy is created, go to the users and create a new user by the name Quay. Then we'll assign the policy to this user. So this user will have all the required permissions. Also download and keep the access and secret key. Now we can use an S3 browser to connect to the Objectscale and verify the newly created bucket. So we can see our newly created Quay bucket and the bucket is empty. Let's review our OpenShift cluster. So this OpenShift cluster is already integrated with the Dell PowerFlex array by using the CSM. And a storage class by the name PowerFlex is already created to provision the required PVCs from the PowerFlex storage array. Now we can go to the OpenShift console. From the operator hub, let's install the Red Hat Quay operator. So let's wait for the installation of the operator to be completed. Now the operator is successfully installed. Next, we'll create a new project by the name Quay-registry, and we'll be creating the Quay registry inside this project. Now let's create the configuration file required by the container registry. And in this configuration file, we'll provide all the Objectscale configuration like the S3 endpoint, access key, secret key, and the bucket name. Then we'll create a secret by using this configuration file into the Quay registry namespace. The YAML file required to create the Quay container registry is already created. So let's review this YAML file. Now we can apply this YAML file to create the Quay container registry. Now let's wait for all the pods to be in running and ready state. Now we can see all of our pods are in running and ready state. Also let's verify the PVCs. So we can see there is 2 PVCs created from the Dell PowerFlex array. Now we'll go to the OpenShift console and from the networking, routes, and we'll select the Quay registry as our project. We can get the Quay registry URL. Now I'll create a new account in the Quay container registry. And here we can see there is no repositories created yet. Log into the Quay container registry by using the podman. And currently we don't have any images available locally. So let's pull a Nginx container image from the Docker hub. Now the Nginx container image is successfully pulled into our local machine. So let's tag this container image for our local Quay container registry. Once the image is tagged, we can push this image into our local Quay registry. And let's wait for the push to be completed. Now the Nginx image is successfully pushed to our local container registry. So we can go to the Quay console, and from here we can verify our Nginx image is already uploaded into this container registry. Now we can use our S3 browser to connect to our Quay bucket in the Objectscale. Let's refresh. Now we can see that the images are successfully uploaded into the S3 bucket from the Objectscale. This concludes this demo. Thank you for watching.